Imagine a machine that glides under the ocean like a living ghost, invisible to the most advanced sensors and leaving no trace in its wake. This isn't science fiction, it's the cutting edge of underwater warfare, and it's here to reshape everything we know about naval strategy. Introducing the revolutionary Manta Ray, America's state-of-the-art underwater drone, a game-changer in stealth, speed, and technology. The Manta Ray underwater drone takes its name and inspiration from the graceful manta ray sea creature. But unlike its natural counterpart, this machine is designed to be anything but harmless. Equipped with unparalleled stealth capabilities and advanced technology, the Manta Ray has captured the world's attention and left military experts in awe. It is not just a technological achievement but a symbol of a new era in underwater innovation. The construction of the Manta Ray is a marvel in itself. Its hull is made of special materials that are both lightweight and incredibly strong. This unique combination allows it to withstand the immense pressure of the deep ocean while maintaining high speeds and agility. These materials also play a crucial role in its stealth capabilities, absorbing and deflecting radar and sonar signals to render it nearly invisible to enemy detection systems. This revolutionary approach to materials science represents a leap forward not just for military technology but for engineering as a whole. At the heart of the Manta Ray lies its artificial intelligence, AI, system, a virtual brain capable of running complex functions almost autonomously. The onboard AI processes vast amounts of data from its advanced sonar and radar systems, enabling the drone to detect objects miles away while remaining undetected itself. This smart system can adapt to changing underwater conditions, making real-time decisions to ensure mission success. Such AI capabilities make the Manta Ray not only a tool of unparalleled precision but also a glimpse into the future of autonomous underwater operations. Traditional submarines rely on brute force propulsion systems that generate noise and resistance. The Manta Ray, however, employs a groundbreaking propulsion method that allows it to glide effortlessly and silently through the water. This innovation reduces drag and noise, making it faster, more efficient, and harder to track. Its movement mimics that of a manta ray, adding to its stealth and agility. The propulsion system is so advanced that it could lead to new discoveries in fluid dynamics and energy efficiency, influencing industries far beyond military applications. While the design of the Manta Ray is groundbreaking, it's not without its challenges. The sleek, Manta Ray-inspired shape, while efficient, presents engineering complexities. Maintaining stability and agility at great depths is a significant hurdle, as is ensuring the drone's ability to execute quick maneuvers in combat situations. Balancing stealth, speed, and agility is no easy task, but the rewards of overcoming these challenges are immense. Each obstacle tackled in the development of the Manta Ray provides insights that will pave the way for future underwater technologies. The Manta Ray's true capabilities will only be proven through rigorous testing in real-world conditions. The unpredictable nature of the ocean, with its strong currents, extreme pressures, and diverse ecosystems, poses a significant test for any underwater vehicle. If the Manta Ray can perform as expected in these conditions, it will solidify its place as a revolutionary tool in underwater warfare and exploration. These trials are also an opportunity to refine the drone's systems, ensuring it is prepared for the wide range of scenarios it may encounter. At an estimated cost of $13 billion, the Manta Ray is one of the most expensive underwater drones ever built. But this price reflects more than just its construction, it represents an investment in the future of naval technology. This drone isn't just a tool for today's military, it's a blueprint for tomorrow's innovations in underwater exploration, defense, and beyond. The staggering cost is justified by the unparalleled advancements it brings, setting a precedent for the value of cutting-edge innovation. The technology developed for the Manta Ray has far-reaching implications. Its propulsion system could revolutionize civilian maritime industries, leading to quieter and more efficient cargo ships, advanced underwater exploration vehicles, and even futuristic passenger ships. The stealth technology could find applications in aircraft, spacecraft, and other fields, opening new doors for innovation. Moreover, its AI systems could inspire advancements in robotics and machine learning, influencing a multitude of sectors worldwide. The unveiling of the Manta Ray has sent shockwaves across the globe. Other nations are undoubtedly working on their own versions, spurring a new era of innovation in underwater technology. This international race will likely lead to advancements in detection systems, tactics, and even entirely new categories of underwater vehicles. The manta ray has not only revolutionized naval warfare but has also ignited a global push toward technological superiority beneath the waves. The manta ray's unparalleled stealth and speed could render traditional submarines obsolete. If an enemy can't detect you, they can't fight you. This shift in naval strategy will force nations to rethink their approaches to underwater combat, invest in new detection technologies, and develop countermeasures to match the manta ray's capabilities. The ripple effects on military doctrines and global security strategies are profound, marking the beginning of a new chapter in defense technology. Beyond its military applications, the manta ray's technology could inspire breakthroughs in civilian sectors. Deep-sea research, underwater construction, and marine conservation efforts could all benefit from advancements in stealth, propulsion, and AI-driven systems. The potential for crossover technologies is immense, making the manta ray an innovation with benefits far beyond the battlefield. These possibilities highlight the broader impact of military research on society and the global economy. The manta ray underwater drone is more than just a technological marvel, it's a statement of human ingenuity and ambition. As it dives into the depths of the ocean, it also pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible. This is just the beginning of a new era in underwater technology, and the lessons learned from the manta ray will shape the future of exploration and defense for decades to come. It invites us to imagine a world where the mysteries of the deep are no longer out of reach, where technology and nature converge in unprecedented ways. So, as we look to the horizon, or rather, to the depths, one thing is clear: the manta ray is not just rewriting the rules of underwater warfare, it's creating an entirely new playbook. And with that, the oceans have never seemed so full of possibilities and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The innovations of today will inspire the visions of tomorrow, making the manta ray not just a leap forward but a catalyst for the boundless exploration of the unknown. Please like, share, subscribe or comments. Thanks for watching my channel.